Is Wendy Kirigay. I'm 39 years old. I'm a single mother. I have one kid. She is 11 years old now. She is in my mother's side in Mindanao. First, abroad, I go in Kuwait. I start in 2003 to 2008. They have in family is three, one father and one mother. I care the 2 years old, and then we are in two housemates. In Singapore, the second abroad in Singapore, I start in 2012 to 2014. Four in family, one mother, one father, and twins, 6 months, and I'm alone. And three, Dubai, I start in 2014, 2016, six in family, one father and one mother, four adults, two housemates. We care for the house, cleaning, iron, and wash clothes. That's for cooking. I am not cooking. Okay, and for Kuwait, 2016 to 2018, six in family, one father and one mother, one eldest and three triplets. We care for the triplets, and then we are in the three housemates. And then I work there, care for the baby. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I clean the house. We are routine for the work. Okay, thank you.